Hello everyone, welcome to the 13th lecture of this crash course for your PMP certification exam. So if you are into project management and you are planning to write the PMP certification exam over the next few months, this free course on YouTube will equip you with all the basic details that you need to know about the PMP certification exam. So this is a series of 14 lectures and you can view all the 14 lectures of this crash course through the link here or through the link in the description section of this video. So make sure you do not miss any of these lectures of this free course on YouTube. I am Ray, a PMP certified project manager, and I have helped thousands of PMP aspirants like you to prepare for the PMP exam efficiently and pass it on their very first attempt. You can refer to my reviews on Udemy or the mentions on my LinkedIn profile. Now please note that this course is an abridged version of my full 35-hour training course on PMP exam that is available on Udemy. So if you like this mini version, please make sure you check out the entire course that is available on Udemy. The link will be in the description section of this video as well. So this lecture is lecture number 13 out of the 14 sessions in this course. And in this lesson, we'll be talking about the third myth which exists around the PMP exam and try to see whether that's true or false. Okay. So with that, let's get the discussion started.
Right. So myth number 3. Reading the PMBOKs or Agile Practice Guide is not necessary to pass the exam. So I have seen multiple social media posts. I have seen quite a few aspirants talk that, hey, you know what, I'm very smart. I passed the PMP exam, but I didn't even read the PMBOK. They are bullshit. You go into sleep. You are not able to understand head and tail of it, PMBOK. So there is no point reading the PMBOK. Just read books or watch online courses, etc., and you will be able to pass the exam because they anyways cover the articles on the topics of PMBOK. Okay, now that's a myth, guys, and as your coach and as your mentor, I will never ever suggest that you write the PMP exam without even reading the PMBOKs because as you know, guys, going by the PMP ECO, that the PMBOK forms at least a significant amount of the syllabus of the PMP exam. That's number one. And second is the PMBOKs are the code and the standard of PMI, which is the same institute who has developed the PMP exam, right? So if you're writing the exam without even being aware of the code and the standard of the same institute who has like given birth to this certificate, I don't think that's a very rational thing to do. Okay, I really think that it's a very irrational thing and a very let's say not a good strategy, I would say. Okay, in short words, of course, I'll definitely suggest that you read PMBOK 6. Definitely, you read the Agile Practice Guide. Definitely. For PMBOK 7, we spoke that if you want to reduce the time which you want to invest for PMBOK 7, you can refer to the mapping document of my mock simulator. That will reduce your time drastically in terms of the areas which you need to cover in PMBOK 7. But I have given you telltale examples where I have shown you from PMI website that over the next few years, the PMP exam will evolve and there will be a lot of PMBOK 7 content that will be included in the PMP exam. Okay, so the fact is studying the PMBOKs and the Agile Practice Guide is of utmost importance for your PMP exam preparation, guys, period. If you consider me as your coach, do not think of writing the PMP exam without even studying the PMBOKs. Okay, you may pass, you may not pass, but that's not a good strategy.
I wish you all the best for your PMP exam preparation. Let me know in the comment section below if you are finding this course helpful for your PMP exam preparation. Okay, and now with that, let's move on to the next lecture.